Hi, this is Muhammad Rafiq. Welcome to my tech channel. If you new here, make sure click that subscribe button and enable bell icon for getting notifications for my future video uploads. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add another channels on your YouTube account. So let us go and see how to add other channels on your YouTube account. For that, just log into your YouTube account, click on the logo and you can see YouTube Studio. Just click on it and it will open YouTube Studio homepage, and left side menu, just scroll down. There you can see customization. Just click on it. It will open channel customization window. Under layout, just scroll down. You can see featured sections, and right side you can see add section. Click on it and just scroll down. There you can see featured channels. Click on it. It will open new window and you can type the title here, which is I type my other channels, and below you can see search box. You can search the channels here. I have one shorts channel, so I searching that one, and you can see here, just select. And I have one more family channel, and I selected that also. And I have one more family channel, shorts channel. I selected that also. You can see all three are added here. Click done. Now you can see all the three channels added here under featured channel section. Now if you want to add more featured section, just click add section, scroll down, again click on featured channels, and here just type the name of the title and search channels below. After that, click done. Now the newly added featured section will show up below here, and for saving, click on publish. After that, to view these changes, just click on view channel and it will open your YouTube channel homepage, and here just click on channels, and there you can see all the featured channels just before we add. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if this video was helpful for you, please like the video, and if you have any queries or any questions, please comment below the video. I will look into it.